good, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're well. I'm great myself. I'm great myself. I'm great myself. Anyways, to my regulars, what it do, baby? To all the new subscribers, welcome, 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 welcome. Anyways, guys, we are back. We are back, darling. Regular programming. So, guys, my two last previous vlog, I haven't been doing my intro before I start vlogging, which was so difficult for me, but I am back now. I am back. I'm back to do my full intro, and I'll do better. I'll do better. But I hope you've been enjoying my episode that I've been dropping. Anyways, we are not here to blab. As you know, your girl, when she starts talking, she will start talking. So we are gonna take this vlog as it comes. So yeah, guys. Anyways, Ramlo. Guys, I'm so excited. I've been meaning to do this unboxing, but I've been dragging. I don't know why. So I got myself a little something, a little something. So guess what it is? What it is? I'll give you 30 seconds. Okay. So guys, I've been wanting to get this, but due to finances, I did not get it. So now I finally got my hands on this because I've been wanting it. So we got ta-da! A Daniel Wellington. Guys, we got a Daniel Wellington watch or a timepiece, whatever you call it. So I got myself this. I am so excited, guys. I get to go guys. Papa mayonnaise, yogurt, ice cream, everything. But anyways, Sakaki, calm down. But so I got this. I got a watch and a bracelet. So this is how it came looking like. So Daniel Wellington, while it was having its, I don't know if it was a special or something, they had, so usually when you would buy, you would get this complimentary box, because I think they started giving out this complimentary box when you spend a certain amount from Black Friday. I think last year Black Friday or something, I don't remember. But yeah, now when I bought it, I got this packaging, and it was also for Christmas or something. I do not remember, but yeah, yes, I don't know if they still have this packaging, because now I got mine mid-Jan or early Jan, yeah, somewhere there, I don't remember. But yeah, hence I'm saying it's not it's a new purchase, but I didn't get it like maybe last week. I've been having this for a while. It's just that I didn't unbox it with you guys. So I decided that before I use it, let me unbox it and show you guys that I got a Daniel Wellington, baby. So this is how the packaging looks like, guys. It's giving expensive, it's giving luxury, it's giving big girl purchase, guys. Do you see this thing, guys? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna shift my camera and then do an unboxing, because if I try and open this, because the box, I have to open it like this, everything is just gonna fall outside. So I'm just gonna change the angle and then do an unboxing and show you guys. And after that, we're definitely gonna have breakfast, because today I'm having a slow day. After having breakfast, we'll take it as it goes. I think I'm gonna watch a movie or something, so because I don't really have plans. But what I know is that tomorrow I have a lunch date. You must watch the vlog and add 1+1. If not, hi, angizingeni. I'm not confirming or denying anything. So yeah guys, so let's get to it. And yeah,
and I really truly
You were the one with the thin guitar. And I forgot the middle, no, I